Guys, there's a big news that just dropped. Apparently, Nike is regating a ton of sellers, okay? A ton of sellers, not everybody though, because I checked on my account, I'm not regated. But what it looks like is that all the sellers that were ungated right before the big news dropped and that Nike actually got restricted, all those sellers are getting regated, all right? So big news, bad news and good news. So the good news is that it looks like those sellers can actually reapply. So if you were actually restricted in Nike, check if you can actually apply. If you right now you can apply to sell Nike. If you can, place an order as fast as possible, get your invoice, and actually apply to get ungated in Nike, because Nike is a brand where you can make a lot of money. And try to get ungated because anything bad, something else that is bad happened, like Nike is actually getting restricted again. So try to get, check if you can actually apply, and you should be good. So the bad news is that you're going to need to reapply for all the sellers that were ungated right before the brand got restricted. It looks like you're going to need to reapply. Maybe not, because if it's the same thing, the exact same thing that happened with Adidas, you should be good. I never reapplied for Adidas and I got re-ungated automatically. All right? So, the good news is that it looks like, as we said, it looks like it was probably just a bug. Okay? So, if it was just a bug, Nike is not going to get restricted, like, a lot of people were saying. You should be good. It should reopen pretty soon. All right? So, good news is that you're probably going to be able to sell Nike. And bad news is that if you were ungated right before it got restricted, you're going to need to reapply. All right? So, that's not today's video, because as you saw, I just woke up and taking my morning walk. But I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you at 3 p.m. for a new video, because today's video is releasing in a few. All right? I'll see you later.